Hey guys, welcome back to Javon Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back once again with the Kuro no Kiseki English Patch Update 4. Y'all should know the drill by now, but simply put, you copy the launcher and TC folders. Man, if you've watched the other three and you still have struggles to do this, we gon' got issues, bro. And just simply hit paste. That's it. Launch it wherever you have the directory. This is the fourth video. This time around, instead of loading in, I actually already have the game up, so we don't have to boot into it and take that long time with the loading screen. So once again, we got more text, more items have been put into the game. Awesome stuff. This is the work is being done on this so fast. Like this is complete. This is almost fully playable in English at this point in time. I'm gonna get into a first fight for the video this time around, which is, you know, I don't normally do that. Why are you back in Japanese again? We're going to ignore them. We're just going to ignore them for right now. People were asking me in the previous videos, do you need to update the patches one by one? No, you do not. You can apply them. They're all the same patch, just with added stuff. So you'd basically be getting all of them if you just updated one. And you could update from 4 first, and you'd get everything from 1, 2, 3 up to 4. Honestly, it probably would benefit, but for those who want it right now to be able to play the game and get to do everything, the side quests and everything, I would recommend updating as I post the videos out. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you guys enjoyed the series, I have been requested to do the Hajimeri, I believe. That's the other one. I did do a benchmark on that, but I've been requested to test that one out as well and show you the English patch. So I will do that one as well. We may have it up tonight, tomorrow, who knows, but I will get the patch for that as well, and I'll show you guys that in a bit. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys are a fan of the channel and you like seeing more epic content like this. I do all sorts of tips and tricks showing you guys how to get things running, English patches, tutorials, all stuff like that, and benchmarks, all on this channel. I'll see you guys next time. We're going to go into a fight, so I'll just mute myself, but enjoy the gameplay.
ベルモッティ、このお店はお休みみたいですね。
カフェバーの稼ぎ時は夜だからな。ま、今のところ用はねえさ。おいでなすったか。
バンさん、ひょっとしてあの方が。
ああ、例のおっさんだ。声をかけてみるぞ。
このままテラスエリアをまっすぐですね。
ああ、目立たないようにゆっくりな。
階段の裏手に回ったみたいです。
よく ドテ
構成開始。引き締めなさい。お見舞いよ。
続け。
ガードします。
見切った。
私が相手です。やっえいバンさん。
はっはっ行くぜ。はあそうだよ。
戦闘終了。データを処理するわ。頑張ります。
そうだ。せいはそうだ。お
制圧完了。やるじゃない。
せいはせや。
これで一安心ですね。
せいせいせや。はせいよせいは
戦闘終了。
せいは
データを処理するわ。
はせや。
敵の集団
そうだ。
厄介ですね。
せや。相手が悪かったな。